today we are solving another lab from Portswigger whose name is lab user ID controlled by request parameter. So let's start the lab, and as you can see when you start the lab over here is that let it wait actually, and these are the instructions given to us that we have a username and a password, which is your username and password, and you can log in into your account. But what we need is to find is the API key of Carlos. So let me just log into the account as Wiener as the username and Peter as the password, which is quite given to us in here. Okay, and next we need to find is the API key for Carlos. So right now we have an API key which is for Wiener. We need it for Carlos. So if you'll just observe what is happening right now, and if you'll see the URL, it says somethingwithacademy.com/my account. Okay, so nothing wrong in this. Let me reload it again. Same. Okay, we go to home page, and let me switch back again to my account. And as you can see, it's when I just click on my account, you can see there is something known as ID $ID is equal to Vina. Okay, so this is ID is a parameter which is fetching the API key and the value, and the results for that, for example, let me have turned my intercept as on. Let me reload this request, and I have some ID parameter. Okay, so let me forward this to the repeater. Even though it's not needed to do with that right now, I can just change the value here. So in this I'm asking the server for to get the account value for the answers for the account for the ID Vina. Now rather than the ID Vina, what if I change it to Carlos? Now what I get, the data which I get is for the user Carlos. So you can have done this over here also, Carlos, and yep, the username is Carlos and this is the API key. And to solve this lab you just need to submit this thing in here. It will take a second or two, and if we'll reload it now, you will see the lab has been solved. So I hope you like this video. This comes under horizontal privilege escalation, where you kind of logged inside or saw his details of another user from your own account. So bye bye guys.